China's anti-submarine helicopter development has progressed significantly, mirroring the nation's broader naval modernization efforts. Initially, China relied on imported platforms like the Russian-made Ka-28 and Ka-31 for anti-submarine warfare operations. However, with its indigenous advancements, China has developed several indigenous anti-submarine helicopter models. China's naval aviation is advancing rapidly. China's newest indigenous anti-submarine warfare helicopter is the Z-20F, a variant based on the Harbin Z-20 medium utility helicopter. While primarily used for troop transport and utility tasks, the Z-20 is expected to be adapted for anti-submarine warfare missions, showcasing China's multi-role approach to naval aviation. The new Z-20F helicopter is a modified version of the Z-20 designed to perform search and rescue operations, like the American MH-60R Seahawk helicopter. The Z-20 layout is very similar to the Black Hawk helicopter, but there are several key differences, including 5-bladed main rotor and more angular tail-to-fuselage joint frame, giving it greater lift, cabin capacity, and endurance than the Black Hawk, as well as fly-by-wire design. The Z-20 helicopter is powered by two Chinese-made WZ-10 turboshaft engines. The engine is expected to deliver a maximum power of 1,600 kW. It can fly at a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters. In April 2022, a video of the Z-20 helicopter taking off from the deck of a Type 55 destroyer was released a day before the Chinese Navy's 73rd anniversary. The Z-20F anti-submarine variant has already entered service. The new version, called the Z-20F, features surface radar under the nose, pylon to carry torpedoes, dipping sonar underbelly, and bubble-side windows for observers, and feature similar dimensions and performance to the Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk, but with the new Chinese sensor and weapon suit. The photograph of the Z-20 carrying 4 KD-10s on each of its two stub wings, one of which is fitted to each side of the fuselage. The stub wings are distinct from the ones that were seen on the standard Z-20. The external stall system on that helicopter appeared to have a total of 4 pylons, 2 on each side. The stub wing on this Z-20F are also mounted lower on the fuselage compared to ones seen on the Z-20. All told, the Z-20F stub wings look very similar to stub wings available for the MH-60R, as well as a number of other Seahawk variants, which are in service with the US Navy and other naval forces around the world. The Z-20F, designed as a primary anti-submarine warfare anti-surface weapon system, and will operate from frigates, destroyers, cruisers, and aircraft carriers.